There is a skin also. Skin defines entire application color configuration because see, each and every client will be having some particular color coding. Suppose, if you take some Bank of America, it is some red and blue. There are standard colors. You cannot just simply give some kind of red which you like. Business defines their own colors. Okay, those colors on all you have to configure from here. What colors are buttons looks like? What color? See here, the buttons look like some blue color. Right, because Pega is all blue colors. They will use similarly based on the client. You have to make your skin application look and feel right. You understand what I'm trying to say? Suppose, if you're in Facebook, there is one sort of blue color. You cannot use this particular blue to the Facebook. They have some defined color coding. Based on that color coding only have to use. Okay, if you click on the buttons, you can click on Add New Style or you can click on Inherit one. Let me click on Inherit. Okay, you can define. This standard is their standard. Has these borders and all and colors you will be having. Everything is there. Okay,